What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, I like to do a different cryptocurrency here on the channel every single week with your guys' help. And on that note, we are doing our crypto coin display giveaway. As you guys can see here on the screen, it is a $125 crypto price ticker display. And I will be giving one of these away on Sunday. So all you have to do to enter is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribed. So write something like XRP subscribed, and that's all you have to do to be entered into this. You have every day until Sunday to enter to do the giveaway. Comment on every video, as well as make sure you have subscribed, because I will be checking, and if you haven't, you will not win one. Now, more importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's videos is, yesterday we kind of mentioned that we're looking for some consolidation on some of these major cryptocurrencies, as well as the fact that there are some pretty strong not only trend lines but price ceilings that we need to be broken if we plan on seeing prices go any higher in the next couple of days. Now, we're starting to see a lot of this consolidation. Yesterday we mentioned that we'd probably need to see some consolidation before we see any sort of big break to the upside, but I just want to continue going off that that mention and that notion and try to find when that breakout's going to happen. Reiterate what I said yesterday to those that are new to the channel. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, we left off yesterday basically talking about how time sensitive pretty much yesterday is going to be, and today as well, very much so, mainly in regards to the fact that these cryptocurrencies are all kind of catching some sort of heat and starting to hit resistances on their way back up to the top resistance and these trend lines. I'm going to draw this out yesterday. There we go, or for yesterday. But you can see, just a quick refresh through all of these cryptocurrencies. Understand that XRP, as of where it was yesterday before the big drop in the morning, we were extremely overbought, trading at about 83 on the relative strength indicator. It's not just that. We have Ethereum here that was hitting resistances at its top price ceiling at also overbought slightly, but then we have Bitcoin also hitting its price ceiling at about 47,000, also nearing overbought. We have Solana, which is just, it was exploding, as you can see yesterday. I mean, even today we look to be doing extremely well, as well. We went up to $76, but you can see that also this is extremely overbought and needs to see some sort of reversal to continue its pattern or movement to the upside. I mean, we've exploded not only past its all-time high, it's now all the way up to, it went up to $75, which is just absolutely incredible, from a $24 movement. That literally means it's tripled its value in just a couple of weeks. Absolutely incredible. I wish we had looked at this earlier, but regardless, Cardano was doing a very similar movement, and we've been tracking Cardano basically from the double bottom, the retest of this bottom support. It was a great time to buy in. Now, basically, to reiterate what I said yesterday, maybe make it a little more simple for you guys ready to buy in. As you guys know, we have been trading on BitYard, which we use to leverage trade cryptocurrencies, which I've linked in the description down below. I highly recommend you signing up to it. It basically allows you not only to trade with a simulator, but as well to use the live trading account. It has all the cryptocurrencies that we need to trade and just make the best investment strategies moving forward. Obviously, this is what I use to leverage trade cryptocurrencies, and pretty much when we do decide to buy in the next couple of days, which should be, or even within today, which should be very soon, we are going to be using this to either leverage to the upside or the downside, buy long or sell short, and capitalize off these runs. Now, really what we're looking for in the way these cryptos are forming is obviously the price ceiling right here. Basically, we need this consolidation for all the cryptocurrencies in order to pump higher. As you can see back early, I'd say April 6th, you can see we were retesting overbought. We were extremely overextended, retesting 83 on the relative strength indicator, and we needed to dip back down to at least retest the overbought level closer to 70 before we could pump higher. And as you guys can see, that's currently what happened. We actually retested about 80 on the relative strength indicator, reversed back down. We're now trading at about 70, 73. And this should allow us to inevitably pump higher. Now, what are you guys looking for and when are we buying in? Now, this applies to all these cryptos, so it's hard to, talk about all of them. So I'm going to focus on XRP and kind of move myself down the list. For XRP, really what we're looking for, honestly, we closed yesterday below here. I am not looking to short XRP as much as I want to short other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I'll talk about why in a minute. But for XRP, I don't plan on shorting this coin. Really what I'm looking for is a confirmation where a price closes above this price ceiling. We have $1.30. That's pretty much where we're capped at. Obviously $1 was the big resistance level that we did manage to break. You can see right here where this reversal was. This is pretty much where that immediate reversal was. We shot all the way back up, and now you can see why we're using this as a support and resistance level. And you can see we're currently retesting that. So what I'm waiting for is pretty much confirmation to breach us above the top resistance right here. Obviously, you can see now why this was acting as such a big resistance level. There is an uptrend, very small one at that we could just draw on if you guys wanted to use this uniformly. And really what we're waiting for is for prices to, consolidate back up, close us above, I would say $1.30 as a means of more of a conservative level. Let's say we close maybe at $1.38, enough for the daily to close above this top resistance. That should confirm that we've broken through the price ceiling, and it should allow us to pump higher. And there's another reason as to why I believe XRP is going to pump higher. It's mainly looking at these other cryptos that are all showing major bullish signs to reverse back to the upside. They just needed to consolidate a little, as Ethereum and Bitcoin both have been trending flatline on its overbought market. XRP and like Solana were extremely overextended. Solana still being overextended, but XRP is slowly coming back down to retest the top of the overbought level. So they're all looking good for another rally to the upside. Now, the current coin market cap looks okay. They're mainly still consolidating down about 1.15%, but we finally broken 2 trillion. And I remember saying about 4 or 5 days ago, we are 100% guaranteed to retest 2 trillion market cap, which is exactly what happened about a week later. Absolutely incredible. All the cryptos you can see have had incredible pumps, 22% Binance, 50% XRP, 34 Doge. Solana obviously is much higher, 72%, and they've just been doing incredible things. Terra up 72%. Really what we're looking for now is the next run and the next rally that we should be expecting very soon. And it goes farther than XRP. So hopefully you guys understand when XRP does decide to breach about $1.30, all the other cryptocurrencies should be either doing it before or following suit. So when you see Ethereum and Bitcoin breach its resistance levels, we should also see XRP follow as well. So my main focus now is on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum and Bitcoin both are retesting a top trend line, a top resistance, price ceiling at that, at least for Ethereum. We do have a beautiful uptrend. And I discussed and I made it very clear yesterday, what we're looking for is for the price to either break through that top resistance, which you can see we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, practically a week of consolidation battling to try to break above this to break above this major resistance level. We've consolidated from being overbought now to just flatlined out. And obviously, with sideways trading comes major aggression and major volume. This has been a beautiful uptrend, ascending triangle, retesting the top resistance here. We're looking for that confirmation for the price to close us maybe above $3,400 to maybe $3,500. That's really with Ethereum. So if we see Ethereum close us at about $3,400 conservatively, we close the daily above 34. That would be a breach above a major resistance level right here, a major trend line. And the second we see confirmation, we should probably expect to see a big pump. We maybe even will see when we do decide to breach, that volume closes us much higher. So we'll probably have to base judgment off the 4-hour charts as well. But the second we see confirmation of the breach above $3,400, expect us to explode, retesting, all-time highs, which we will be doing very, very soon. Expect it, because we're still, as you guys can tell, in an uptrend. We're still creating higher lows. We were doing lower highs for a small interim of time, for about 4 months, but it brought us back down to our bottom support, which has been our lifeline, and we exploded off that, and I don't think we're done just yet. So big kudos to the way the price is charting. We look very, very healthy, and I do believe we are going to break out to overbought levels very soon. Now, besides Ethereum, we're also looking at Bitcoin. Reason we're looking at Bitcoin is having a increasing wedge. It's not a falling wedge, it's an ascending wedge where price is exploding to the upside. There is capped resistance and a capped support, but we are increasing in price. You can see right here how this kind of looks. We can slightly tweak this down just like that. There we go. And this is the resistance, this is support. And we're slowly moving up to retest this top resistance level right here, which I also anticipate to be broken soon. Obviously, if the ascending wedge gets, retested and we break lower, we correct below it, which would be maybe prices coming back down to 45,000. And we see price kind of bounce off here. We fall to 45K. We close below the uptrend. Then we know to short this back down to obviously 40,000, if not down to like $33,000. There could be a big jump, a big drop. Vice versa, we close above 47K. We close at like, let's say $48,000, maybe even $49,000 or $50,000. It really depends on when you want to buy in. But let's say we close at like $48,000 right here. This would be enough where daily closes above this resistance. We should easily and immediately see a pump and a rally back up to all-time highs, if not higher. I really believe this next run that we're about to see is going to breach us above all-time highs, probably sending us up to 70, 80. It looks too good. I mean, look at the way these rallies have happened. Boom. We're probably going to see another wave that maybe sends us up to 90K, and we come back down. So get ready, guys, because there's going to be a major Bitcoin explosion, I think, within the price and the movement, if we can confirm a breach above like $48,000. If we see a major breach above this resistance, we're going to see a major swing to the upside, and it won't matter if you buy in a day from now or 2 days, you will be into the market and you will be ready to capitalize off this run, because there'll be plenty of time to get in because there's so much volume coming for this market. If we don't breach through here and we get rejected, get ready to short it on Bityard back down to support. As for Solana, which is extremely overextended and FOMO has pretty much taken over, I'm not sure how much higher. Obviously it can, but it's a much more risky investment opportunity than some of the other cryptos, so I'm not going to really put money into this just yet. Obviously, if you can, just expect it to be an aggressive high-risk trade. But otherwise, the S&P 500 looks good, pumping even higher now once again. So we do look good all around. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to check out Bityard. Check out our Patreon, Discord down in the comment section below, as well as make sure to comment your favorite crypto, as well as subscribed, turn on post notifications to be entered for the giveaway. Peace and thumbs up.